right, guys, Parker Grissom here with REI Funding Partners. Today, we are in Alabaster. We are at one of our borrowers' projects. He's not on site, but he'd allowed us to sneak over here while his crews are finishing up this house. But this is a house that was originally a 4-2 here in Alabaster. It sits on 2 acres. Kind of hard to come by. This house sat on the market for about 30 days. And Mr. J, our borrower, saw the vision on it. He had to make an offer that could close in 7 days. And he traditionally uses another bank, a traditional bank, that couldn't close that fast. And so we were able to come in here and close that deal for him in less than 7 days and see the vision he wanted to do. So as we kind of walk over in here, this house was originally a 4-2. He bought it for $200,000. He's put about $65,000 into this property, and he plans to list it in about a week or two for in the high threes, so $375, $390. But he came in here, he's doing some landscaping here in the next week, but he's really reconfigured this house from a 4-2 to a 3-2.5, and there's a lot of reasons for that. So as you come in here, brand new floors throughout. Again, we love to bring you projects like this because we can show you things that are actually going on. There's debris, there's cabinets for the kitchen that need to be installed. But he removed this wall right here, reinforced it with some load-bearing beams on top. He added a half bath right here. And then new fixtures throughout, new recessed lighting, all new interior doors, all new flooring. He'll have granite countertops here. He'll have a water filler here. And he was telling us that this is a very experienced borrower, very experienced rehabber. The little details matter. He put a water filler in this kitchen. That's $70 that a lot of people think is really nice. That really sets it apart. He's spending a little bit of money on upgraded floor vents. That just these little touches really impact a big way. So as we kind of come in here fast, 2 bedrooms right here. He has a tub right here. And again, he knows for reselling to a family, a 3-2.5, you need a tub for a family, for kids to hop in. Super important. And you want to put that tub in the guest bathroom so you can spend more money on the master. And that's exactly what he did. So as we kind of come back here, he converted that 4th bedroom to make the master bathroom bigger and totally reconfigured it. So he's got water, washer and dryer hookups right here. And what he did was, this is the master bedroom. The master bathroom used to be right over here. What he did was rip that out. He wanted to make a full walk-in closet that you can both store, you know, the husband and wife things in here with no problem. Then, where the big money is spent, the master bathroom, converted that whole 4th bedroom to just a bathroom. So you have French doors that you walk into. He likes to add privacy every time he can, so walk in, toilet, close it off for master. Huge double vanity, huge shower. He's gonna have an overhead shower that comes down too, so 2 water fixtures there, but huge house and really redone, and we were able to close this for him in 7 days. We love working with Mr. J, and please call us, reach out to us if we can help finance your next flip project. Thanks.